Wow. As soon as you don't have no money.
Oh, me broke like dog.
Which dog, Keisha? Which dog you broke like?
Pull up. After you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Go suck your mother and come off from my life. I'm not telling you nothing. Bumbo clock man nothing try hard. Go suck your mother. If I heard more, I tell one another that you know. Go suck your mother. Go friend rich Chris. Go suck your mother. Bumbo clock.
Pull up. After you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
As soon as you don't have no money.
Oh, me broke like dog.
Which dog, Keisha? Which dog you broke like?
Bad gal time. Get wild and broke out me gal, call your pussy keep cocky warm. Slim gal, tick tack, rub down me six pack. Bad gal, galang and gwan. Gal pussy fat, couldn't hold in me palm. You ever turn, you have on it a gwan. Tell her for you drop it and knock up it up a farm, pan top farm. If you can't do that, if you gwan. Bad gal, get wild and broke out me gal, call your pussy keep cocky warm. Slim gal, tick tack, up on your head top. Jiggle and shake your bottom. Gal pussy fat, couldn't hold in me palm. Fluffy, fabulous, phenomenon. As cock crow, in a demand, the rooster one end the phone, one the cab for the can. Bad girl, we say wine and catch. You're thirsty, put your mouth on the pipe cock. You feel like wow with some freaky type. I cocky up in your belly, me know you like that. Tap chat, you get a hot back shot. If it too fat, it a forget a fat cock. Y'all call me the G, come and know that spot. When y'all Bratt out and set that trap. Bad girl, get wild and broke out me gal, call your pussy keep cocky warm. Slim gal, tick tack, rub down me six pack.
Bumbo clad. No, a badness I deal with, so a badness me I deal with too. At least she did, make them see how me even stop from hackle up, spear, turn man down, cap, you know. Me feet for walk, you know, dark, you know. Mad me dog, I go to
After they go bust ahead.
Rolling dog.
none of them. Why pretty now?
Alone, me not talk to me alone. Every artist who know, try give them a strength. Share the music to a friend and tell a friend to share it to a next friend and tell a friend to share it to a next friend. You know do that now, man, and see if the artist thing no grow. And you know the people, but guess I know. You know see the artist build up a fan base and then he bust off a hit song. A song become the artist's favorite. And a song become star. Oh, me subscribe and like him thing now, cause everybody I like it. You don't have to follow people. You know a leader. Try to be a leader for yourself. Try to be a leader for the bumbo clad self, man. You see me? Yo, come off of the live here, man. Later.
Is that? Road though, you are asking where she a go. Book. Why you wanna give my friend blow right in front of her eyes? Got me accent though. Why you wanna give my friend blow in front of her eyes? That make her accent one time. That make her accent two times. That make her accent three times. Book up, me Shabamba clad. Second season trample the beast. Hey, when you can't over here, son, I call up the man Earth Strong saying, oi, two artists roll out the man. Child, why throw my kicking like Van Damme? Miss. Book and give him a friend blow right in front of eyes. Book and give him a friend blow right in front of eyes. Book and give him a friend blow right in front of eyes. We're not gonna take it so though. We want
Hold on. Talk to you, I see that in from Bukam, that big Bukam give him low. What just smile alone? Oh, bumbo clock.
Bumbo clad. Say it louder, no man. Say it louder, no, my girl. Bumbo clad. Watch is. The call coming in a beer cheese. Bookam, I owe the blood clot call you on the other line, Bookam.
I'm gonna say some family. Don't worry to Bukam. Doctor's lie
Bukama,
there.
who blood clot call you upon the other like you come back here some blood clot cheese. How we get some good news? Here's what they are dropping at the bank. Girly. Oh, walk one, girly. Come here, girly. I walk one. I actually am earth strong and I'm just feel happy so.
No. Don't say that.
Yo,
Actually,
take up. You talk to we up on mute.
no. I didn't have a mute.
I talk about Bukam.
Oh yeah, no. Bukam get a phone call. I believe Bukam enjoy himself on the call. Bukam I give him.
Oh, rascal. Sorry, mom. Sorry.
Class. Okay, on there.
Hey, book, I'm done. Fuck up, you know. Girl, I got shot your pussy hole.
What kind of laugh you about over
Girl, I got shot your pussy hole. And that thing you can't go on.
Yay, ball. Yay, ball. Check in the man. Active the man. What's that, Bukam?
Bukam get a video calling out. Oh my God.
One, yay, ball. Can the blood not happen, man?
Bukam get a video calling out. Bombo class.
Hello, miss.
Listen, girlie getting blow right in front of eyes. Girlie getting blow.
Yeah, man. Fully caught up in my jail, I deal it.
There, my God. There, papi.
Body, body, in a member, and a bag of grabbing, you hear that, my brother?
You feel my God, man. There, bad girl.
I got 3 sets of security.
There, man.
Cause of a true, a lie.
3 to
Well,
4
I
sets
get
of
blue.
security every
Hey,
day.
yeah, ball. If I
Yeah.
hear you blood clot, come complain about blood clot, girlie. I give bomb clot, Bukam blood clot, blood. You see, man?
You
Me
understand?
say me drop
No,
something
I
in your
never
head.
come to you.
Right, they got
Never
All
come to
right,
you.
enough, my friend. Yeah, Bukam, I give my friend blow. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
because the men
If you
Better than
ever,
that, you know. Teach him better than that.
you know, take no teaching,
actually living in that world, in that
Nah,
reality,
yeah.
will be doing the same
no
man.
learn.
So stop making